Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload project folders and files on GitHub. To do this, it's pretty simple. So you'll just have to download the GitHub version in your desktop so that you'll have ease of access towards your drives. So here, once you have logged in, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is add an existing repository from your hard drive. So you just have to choose the repository path, and as you can see here, I'm already in my documents where I have my repository ready. So now you just have to open it, and this directory does not appear to be a Git repository. Would you like to create a new repository here instead? So yes. So just place your description and place test. So right here, and just place git ignore and license it if none. So there you go, and you'll have to create this repository, and there you go. That's it. Basically, that's how you do it. It's just that simple. You can import more change files right here. It's gonna show up right here if you want to do that. So there you go. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.